Avocado, a fruit you probably love and have been told is good for your health, right?
A study revealing new benefits to eating avocados. It turns out they can help lower your cholesterol.
They're the green globs of goodness found in guacamole and even used as hair treatment. Now a study suggests eating an avocado a day could even keep the doctor away.
But there's a dark side to avocados that nobody talks about. As you can see, many people are making terrible mistakes that could put their health at risk.
Delicious, ripe avocados. They're nutritious, and if you're not careful, they can cause serious hand injuries.
It's something that's definitely been going on.
Dr. Chelsea Bowe is a hand and microvascular surgeon. She's seen a rising number of hand injuries resulting from opening an avocado.
Really, it's people trying to put the tip of the knife into the pit of the avocado while holding it. Tip of the knife will slip off that pit and then impact their hand underneath it.
He estimates she and her team see 15 to 20 avocado hand injuries a year. And that's at UW Medicine alone.
So, in this video, I'm going to show you the main mistakes people make when consuming avocados. It's amazing how many people still make these errors. But don't despair. By the end of this video, you'll be an avocado expert and get the best out of what this fruit has to offer. Mistake number 1, not washing the avocado before use. It might not cross your mind, but just like any other fruit, avocados pick up bacteria and dirt on their way to your kitchen. That's why it's so important to give them a good wash before cutting into them. Mistake number 2, buying too many avocados. We've all been there, buying a whole bunch of avocados because they look great, only to find out they ripen and spoil faster than we can eat them. The trick is to buy just what you'll use in the next few days, so you don't end up with a pile of mushy avocados. Mistake number 3, cutting into an unripe avocado. There's nothing worse than slicing into an avocado only to find it's hard and flavorless. Avocados need time to ripen naturally, so be patient. If they're not quite ready, let them sit on your counter for a day or two. Trust me, the wait is worth it. Mistake number 4, thinking brown avocados are always spoiled. Avocados start browning pretty quickly once they're cut, but that doesn't mean they've gone bad. Just scrape off the brown parts if it's only surface level oxidation. But if the whole thing is brown or moldy, it's time to toss it. Mistake number 5, removing the pit unsafely. We've all seen someone try to stab the pit out with a knife, right? It's risky. Instead, use a spoon. Gently scoop under the pit and pop it out without risking any fingers. It's just as effective and a lot safer. Mistake number 6, trying to juice an avocado. Yep, some people try to juice avocados, but their texture is way too thick and fibrous for that. If you want to drink your avocado, blend it with other fruits for a creamy, delicious smoothie. Mistake number 7, storing half an avocado the wrong way. After you've used half, what do you do with the other? To keep it from turning brown, wrap the cut side tightly in plastic wrap and store it cut side down. Mistake number 8, eating the avocado skin. Don't eat the skin. Avocado skins are tough, bitter, and for some varieties, can actually contain small amounts of substances that could irritate your stomach. Mistake number 9, letting your pets eat avocados. Here's one mistake you definitely don't want to make: sharing avocados with your pets. While avocados are fantastic for us, they can actually be harmful to animals. Avocados contain something called persin, which is totally safe for humans, but can cause some serious issues for pets, including vomiting, diarrhea, and even more severe reactions in certain animals. Mistake number 10, overeating avocados. I know, avocados are amazing, but they're also calorie dense, so eating too much can lead to weight gain. Like with anything, balance is key. Mistake number 11, over-seasoning. Avocados have a mild, rich flavor that's easy to overpower. If you're adding salt or spices, start slow and taste as you go. You want to complement, not cover up, that delicious avocado taste. Mistake number 12, mashing avocados too much. Avocados are perfect for creamy textures, but if you overdo it, you'll lose the beautiful chunks that make guacamole or salad so good. Try mashing with a fork and stop when you've got just the right mix of creamy and chunky. Mistake number 13, refrigerating avocados before they're ripe. Refrigerating unripe avocados can mess with their ripening process. Keep them on the counter until they're ready to eat. Mistake number 14, letting your avocados go to waste. Did you know you can freeze avocados? If you've got a bunch ripening all at once, cut them in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh. Store it in an airtight container or freezer bag for later use. They won't be as firm when defrosted, but they're perfect for smoothies or guacamole when you're ready. Mistake number 15. Ripening avocados too quickly. If you're trying to speed up the ripening process, be careful. Methods like baking them in the oven can make them taste a little off. Stick to natural ripening methods when you can. Mistake number 16. Not knowing how to ripen avocados faster. If you're in a hurry to ripen your avocado, stick it in a paper bag with a banana or apple. These fruits release a natural gas called ethylene, which speeds up the ripening process. Just leave the bag on your counter and check it after a day or two. Your avocado should be ripe and ready to go. Mistake number 17. Limiting avocados to savory dishes. Avocados are fantastic in savory dishes, but have you tried them in sweet recipes? Their creamy texture works wonderfully in desserts like puddings, smoothies, and even as a butter substitute in baking. Mistake number 18. Assuming avocados are always healthy. Not all avocado products are as healthy as you think. Sure, the fruit itself is packed with nutrients, but many store-bought guacamoles or avocado-based products contain added preservatives, unhealthy fats, or excessive amounts of salt. When buying avocado products, always check the label to make sure you're getting the good stuff without unnecessary additives. Mistake number 19. Ignoring avocado allergies. Some people are allergic to avocados. The symptoms can range from mild to severe, anything from an itchy mouth or upset stomach to more serious reactions like swelling. Avocado allergies are often linked to latex allergies because of a protein in the fruit that's similar to the one found in latex. Mistake number 20. Forgetting about the seed. The avocado seed contains a ton of antioxidants and fiber. Some health-conscious folks have started using it in smoothies or grinding it into powder after drying it to add to recipes. It's very bitter and requires some work to prepare properly. Just make sure you're blending it well, or you might end up with a gritty smoothie. So, as much as you love avocados, make sure to keep them out of reach from your furry or feathered friends. Wow, we've covered a lot here. Do any of these mistakes sound familiar? Or do you have any other avocado tips or tricks? Let me know in the comments below. And I get it. It might seem like a lot to think about for something as simple as an avocado, but trust me, the benefits make it all worth it. Benefit number 1, better gut health. Avocados are packed with fiber, which is great for your digestion. They help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria and can even prevent issues like constipation. Benefit number 2, heart health. The healthy fats in avocados, specifically monounsaturated fats, are known to reduce bad cholesterol levels, which lowers your risk of heart disease. Plus, they're loaded with potassium, a nutrient that helps keep your heart functioning properly. Benefit number 3, anti-inflammatory power. Avocados are full of vitamins and antioxidants like vitamin E, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which help combat inflammation. This could lower your chances of developing chronic diseases and even help protect your brain as you age. Benefit number 4, eye health. Most people don't know this, but avocados are great for your eyes. They're rich in vitamin A and carotenoids, which can help prevent vision problems as you get older. Benefit number 5, weight management. Even though avocados are calorie-dense, they can actually help with weight management. Their fiber and healthy fats help you feel fuller for longer, which can reduce overall calorie intake. Benefit number 6, pregnancy and breastfeeding support. Avocados are a powerhouse of essential nutrients like folate, which is crucial during pregnancy. They also provide vitamins and minerals that support healthy fetal development and breastfeeding. Benefit number 7, culinary versatility. From your morning smoothie to your evening salad, avocados fit just about anywhere. Their versatility makes them a great addition to both sweet and savory dishes, adding richness and nutrients to whatever you're whipping up. That's it, my friend. I hope this video has shed some light on how to enjoy avocados the right way, avoiding common mistakes and making the most of their amazing benefits. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on health and nutrition. Let us know in the comments how you like to incorporate avocados into your diet. Until next time, eat well, live well, and enjoy that avocado.